Let me tell you something, my boy. I don't know what is wrong with you. Because the school called for you again today. I did not send you to school to be bad. You're a bad boy, go to jail. But in my case, I'm sending you back to Africa. I will send you back to the village. I will send you back to the village. What do you think this is? I go to work, I'm doing dishes, I'm mopping floor. And now you wasting time while I'm trying to get some money to pay the rent, and then you're gonna go to school and be back. The school calling me at my job. My son is back. My son is a bad boy. What do you think you are? You're not American, okay? You're not American. You're an African brother. If you ever go to school, the school call back again for you, I will kill you. Stupidity. You a stupid boy. What is wrong with you? If that was back in Africa, I hang you. Sooner or later, we're going back to the village. When I get to the village, I'm gonna do something crazy to you. Very crazy. Why are you crying? Before I slap you. You stupid, just like that big flooded. That's why right now it is on jail. I will deal with you later. But now it's time for me to go to work to make some money to pay the rent. Stupid boy, useless. I can't believe you. Get up! Get up! Get up! I'll be back for you when I came from work. Stupid boy.
Changement, what? Changement. Changement.